In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create an inactive channel on Discord Mobile. So the process is very straightforward and simple, so let's just get straight into it. I'm going to go into one of my servers. Then all you need to do is tap on the three vertical dots at the top there next to the server name. Once you've done that, tap on the settings button, and then the option you need to select is overview. Here you'll notice that there is an inactive channel option. It says no inactive channel right now, so just tap on that. And now you want to select the channel for the inactive channel. I'll select general, and now you can see it says inactive channel general. So what an inactive channel is it automatically moves the members to this channel and mutes them when they have been idle for longer than the inactive timeout. And this doesn't affect browsers. So this is only for the mobile version. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.